Cause you know, I don't know, two Chavas, I would ask Jaden ask me how much myself pussy fans, and two me just say yeah 10 grand. I not
Yeah.
sell pussy, and me not fucky. I want man to my goodie cause the years around and me not depend that.
True. You know something you can't pay Jaden a mind cause Jaden love run him joke them, but Jaden have to try to be careful what kind of joke he run because people in the media will take things for true. You understand what I mean? And then it look bad.
You know what sweet me when Jaden say, I go come out and talk guys. I feel me one, I feel me been.
Yeah.
So me I say what me pregnant when he says I come here, I say God no.
Yeah.
What thing? Me nah like I mean me nah nobody that I have sex with and I'm my only person.
Mm-hmm.
I'm my only person. Then people are disgusting. You see me?
Yeah. If him not feel like a female and TT, don't while him. Make when time baby born and everything and he want to do it at the DNA, make him go ahead. You know no problem with that.
Thanks. Cause Jay know why I'm there, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean I kill up myself. Yeah, me we ball when me ready cause me emotional.
Yeah.
Me soft, you see me? So yeah, me we ball.
That's what I'm telling you, baby girl. Just take it easy.
Oh, hold on. Man out there. Thank you for the roses, baby. And him alone out there as man. There's other guys out there we need a good woman like you.
True. Yeah, and on the other hand, you look nice. You look good. Now like your body up. I say you look good. Your body up. Your body up is a sexy girl. Is a sexy girl. So don't make him trick your TT. Talk good now, my girl. Give them a 360. Give them a 360 and mad them. Come on, my girl. 360, my girl. Set the phone good. Turn round, my girl. Shake it, my girl. Shake it for them. Fart in them face. The haters them. Baby girl, just take it easy and I make him trick you. Don't make him trick you. If you're pregnant for true, take it easy and don't make nobody tell you about that shit nothing. If you want to keep it, you keep it. But at the end of the day, show him say you don't need him. Show him say you need him. You still can't carry it and you still don't need him. Yeah, show him say you don't need him. Show him say you don't need him.
This one something where him do. I don't mean like this one something where you do. As a man.
Right. Because when you say him don't want hurt Shannel feelings. Come on, brother, pick one. You can't have two women one time unless you not mock as one hurt
somebody feel it. But my phone not even show me good. Oh, you know what hurts somebody feelings when you hurt the other girl feelings.
The other girl feelings, right.
Where I see things where you go on. I them my TikTok the my phone and say anything you do me I go see. And then look a bit right now you go ball, you go call and I say you're sorry. You know what I mean for do what you do. Ugly but I feel that ugly.
True, yeah, talk.
And I would have never do that as a man.
True. Because if you have Shannel with
me not get this one nobody. Baby mother, yeah, me love me baby mother, but yeah, me have a girlfriend and me I go move on with as a man, yeah. Right.
I either one you are Shannel, choose one, but not go back every minute I go back and forth. That make no sense because the two and I get hurt.
So it's either or either. It's either Tom or choose. No, you're afraid to choose because you feel like if you go choose now, you go hurt one out of 12. You not hurt me. Look for me.
Alright, let me tell you something with that, Titi.
You hurt me, dear.
Alright, Titi, let me tell you something with that. You see, with Dragga now, let me tell you something. And I hope me go say this and make this open.
Escape with it. It's in a certain marker, dog. That's how food. Like this.
Yeah, hear me, Titi?
Jesus, God's doing. Goes outside. Shit, me hear you talk now.
Yeah, me I said the two on right. You want Shannel, right? Him don't want hurt none of one, right? And him and Shannel a come from far. Yeah, hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, him don't want hurt none of one and him and Shannel a come from far. That's why I said to you, say him love you, him don't want to lose you. Because if him did love Shannel like that, him would have stick with Shannel.
Let me tell you something now, you see? You never know the use of a coattail till you chop here. If you never know the use of this a coattail, you say, fuck it off. Yeah, you do a big chopper. This a cow, you're no longer. See, we do it off our own.
Right. Well, as I say, as a nice pretty girl, don't make him take you for no fool. You can't get any man where you want. Don't make him take you for no fool. First of all, Dragga not even nice.
And
sorry, but Dragga not even nice.
The clout and fame. He must say, me I use him clout and fame. Bro, me never ask this. Me never ask none of this at all.
Right.
And me ask for peace in my life because me know my people them stay.
Right.
He's not a media person. So all me ever beg for a little peace.
Right.
In my life, something. And I told him that if you have a baby mother, I know baby mother still, you're not going to see them baby father with no other woman. So it cause a big old dirty drama. I see it, yeah.
Yeah, and then it not even look good pan, it not look good pan the media, cause the two I know you and Shannel look like a turbo fool in the media. It not look good. It don't look good.
So you feel like something like where one?
Yeah. Yeah, it don't look good. It don't look good, but for be honest with you, Shannel look more like the big old idiot more than you. Shannel look more like the big old idiot more than you in the media.
No cocky police. Me nah have no time to watch cocky when I watch you.
Right. You look good. Focus for yourself and focus for your money.
Why is Mika earn a man? Me know a woman me gone to. If a woman can't no mind, no problem. And the woman out here want me switch from man to woman, you know.
Come on, and send TT one lion, man. On send her one lion, man. Come on, surprise her. I like TT. I lie, you don't want a surprising idea, yeah.
If you tell about it, make me jump off in the water for the surprise. Like my universe.
Oh, God.
So come on,
all right then, baby. Later and take it easy. I'm gonna tell you, say just be strong, and I make no man take it. Stop. Yeah. All right, baby. Later.
Let her come up, because my phone I did.
All right.